I want to ask you a really important question. How do you view setbacks? You didn't get the deal. You didn't get the promotion. Somebody told you they don't want to have lunch with you. In business and life, how you view setbacks will determine how fast you achieve success and your mental health along the way. Do you view setbacks as failures? I didn't get the job. They didn't buy from me. They don't like me. She'll never go out with me. Do you view those setbacks as failures? Or do you view them as temporary defeats? So what? I got knocked down. So what? I had a temporary defeat. I'm going to hang in there. I'm going to stay forward. Great opportunity for me to get better the next time. The real winners out there, one of the core beliefs that they have is they never fail. It's just a simple temporary setback. It's just a bump along the way. It's an opportunity for you to learn, an opportunity for you to get better for the next time. It's a long life we live. You've got an unlimited amount of potential. Don't have the wrong mindset. Hey, my name's Matt Easton. Consider giving me a follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.